crazily insane. My viewers, my subscribers, welcome back to my channel. It's all about Mr. Forbes Farm. Alright? So yes, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know it's all about Forbes. Mr. Forbes Farm. Alright? So right now we are on the farm with Mr. Forbes. So without no further ado, let's grab it.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, pumpkin still green on the vine, alright? Yes, my viewers, we are here at a lovely farm here, Mr. Forbes. Yeah man, Brian Forbes, man. Have some nice lovely yam here. Yeah, and as you can see, my viewers and subscribers, the boss is here. Yeah. Mr. Forbes.
Yes, General.
I mean, man.
Morning.
You live on the farm?
Yeah, man.
Side to side, for real.
Thing, you know?
Yeah, I can see you have some lovely corn here.
Yeah, man.
My God. Yeah, lately plant. Yeah, Mr. Forbes. So, Mr. Forbes, how long you have been planting here?
Yeah, this is the second year, you know.
Oh, second year.
Yeah, second year this, you know, I try to spread the things from 200 bank and
yeah.
we're going over about 400 bank right now.
For real.
It, you know?
For real. Me love.
Hopefully the whole place can take 1,000.
Yeah, right through.
Right up to the hillside, you know?
Yes, I.
Yeah,
for real, man, for real.
Alright, you know?
For
we
real,
are
man.
going to do some farming and...
Yeah. Can see you have some sweet potato here.
Yeah. Try to catch a new variety item.
Okay. Corn and yam. You have a touch of sorrel.
Yes, man. Every little thing
God.
in my place, you know?
Every little thing in the place, my viewers. Yeah, alright, my viewers. I'm gonna go through the plantation and show you what's going on. Yeah, don't want to smash on anything, so I'm gonna take my little time. Yeah. Yeah, man. My viewers, corn, my viewers, corn is here. Corn is here. So this is a 3-month crop.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, 3-month crop. So by 3 months time, the crop is ready. My viewers, yeah. Some pumpkin is running at the same time. Yeah, some pumpkin is running at the same time, my viewers. Yeah, man, it's all about Forbes plantation. Yeah, man.
Nice food,
It's a real one.
Sweet pepper there and
Sweet pepper. What? Sweet pepper there. Pumpkin. Watch my viewers. My viewers. You have to plant. Yeah, my viewers, you have to plant. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Up on the farm, the farm with Mr. Forbes, you know, Brian Forbes.
You know, visit the place regular, you know, you get out and find, you know.
Yeah.
See the vine, them go about.
Yeah, man, you have to come through and catch your vine and put up back on thick stick.
Yeah, man, keep them in them to go.
Yeah. It's all about the farming.
Man, we have a good sweet yam and renter right here.
Yeah, sweet yam and renter the right here, so many people.
Yeah, man, soft yam.
Yeah. For real, man.
Soft and nice.
Yeah?
Corn right through it, sorrel right through it.
Yes, for real, my viewers. Corn and sorrel right through the yam. You know? The man don't play with farming. Yeah. You mean, man? Corn is about to ready. Yeah. Boss, I got testing corn. There's no corn there.
Ready yet.
You not ready yet? Man, 2 more months.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm show them how you test the corn, man. Turn around, let me see the corn there. Oh, you want to test it up now? Yeah. You not ready yet, my viewers? You not ready yet, my viewers? Yeah. 2 more months and a month and a half. Yeah, man. Have some nice, lovely cocoa here. Yeah. Nice yellow yam over here. Yes, Mr. Forbes, a shot. Yeah, man. Farmer shot, man. The farmer shot. Yes, sir. For real, man. You have to plant. It's all about a farming revolution. You know? Once you say Jamaica, the black, green, and gold, yeah, it's all about farming, it's all about patwa. The land of food and water.
The white sorrel, you know. This is the white sorrel, you know.
Going for the white sorrel, you know.
Yeah, man. Just
This
so
is
it look.
white sorrel. Give them the
Yeah.
name again.
The white sorrel this, man. The white sorrel.
Alright. My viewers,
Yeah,
white
man.
sorrel.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, this is the white sorrel. This is not the red one. Yeah. Yeah, man, for real, man. For real, me I tell you. More corn. More corn. Yeah, so you have to check the farm regular. You don't check it regular, you run out. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Yes, my viewers, pumpkin running. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's a Farbs. It's a Brian Farbs, you know. They're on the farm. Yeah. Walk the place and look through. But you have some pine here, man. You have some pineapple here, man. Yeah. You have some pineapple here. Soon start to bear. Yeah. For real. That me I talk about, man. I have a planting tree over here. Yeah. Planting. Yeah. Have some sweet potato. Have some okra here, so. Yeah. Some okra is on the farm, of viewers. Yeah, man. For real. Sweet potato. Yeah. So yes, my viewers, don't know it's all about farming and the farm with Mr. Farbs, Mr. Brian Farbs. So right about now, I'm about to take my trail out of the hills and the valley of Mountain Pen, my viewers. So Mr. Farbs, it's all about cutting time, so manners and respect.
Every time, brother.
Seen?
And I hope when things better, you come in back and we show you and get some things out of the farm.
Seen!
Yeah.
Part 2, we're on the corner, alright? So my viewers and subscribers, my name is Everton and we said Jamaican Farmers Hut. So right now, I'm out of here.